Okay, so we're just setting up pod 2 here, and so we know the plastic on so you can see it more easily. So we have compound station. These scopes don't have cameras on them, but everything else is good. So we have compound and then dissecting scope. So for the larger size fraction of microplastics, we can pick, so we have a actual real sample here, picking them off onto the archive plate there. Dissecting level magnification, and then for compounds, for the 20 micron filters and 1 micron filters, the small stuff that's really primarily too hard to physically pick and remove for the FTIR, or just simply doing visual characterization, we have the dissecting scope there. We have our air filter here that'll be running. As you can see in the other pod is a little bit of fluttering of the plastic as it's running 24 hours, keeping the area clear. And this is, the plastic will just get stretched over this, and that will be our pod number 2. Okay, so we now have 2 pods. There's pod 1, and this is pod 2 for clarity. The only cameras we have at the moment are in pod 1. We can mix and match if we want to pull some out or pull the compound scope or with the camera on it into pod 2. But right now each has 2 dissecting and 1 compound scope.